I had to add something in the scripting because one of these was hidden away. I'm not quite sure, but anyway, so this is actually how it works. So this is one that we created earlier or something. Let's go through this again. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, so this is, say, freshly imported from another dicom planning. So let's hide this model, and I'm going to go to this one, imported ring, and then we're going to zoom in, and I'm going to alt left click to select that edge loop, go close in between the two vertices, shift alt left click. This time we're adding the shift because we're adding a selection. So shift alt left click, zoom in, shift alt left click. If you by mistake select something wrong, like this, shift alt left click, just go Control Z. Okay, shift alt left click, shift alt left click. Now we've got them all selected, or the loops, and following that we're going to make the cylinders. Okay, now this is all in preparation of making cutting tools. Now you'll notice that some of these cylinders are in the right position. We want them facing downwards. So this is because the normals have been inverted. So simply left click in this vicinity because we are in edit mode at the moment. Shift left click, and then another shift left click and shift left click. I'm selecting all the incorrect ones, and we're going to flip those normals. So now they're all facing down. Now the default depth is 15 millimeters. You can set this to whatever you like, but this is basically so that we can make holes going through our layer in case we've got something there, maybe connectors or something. So okay, let's just leave that at 15, and then we're going to accept hole cutters because these are hole cutters. And now you see that the hole cutters have turned gray, and then we've got these blue cutters. These are the guide cutters. You can see up here, guide cutters. Again, the normals have been flipped. I'm going to select the incorrect ones. Shift left click, shift left click. We want them facing other way around now. So flip normals, and this is where we get to scale them now. You just left click in that we are in edit mode. So we're going to scale them big enough. So make sure you scale them big enough so that we can clear away any excess material. Something like that. Okay, it's very difficult to make them bigger later. So here, okay, we're going to have a bit of an intersection happening. That's okay. So we're just going to scale these up like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to then click on Accept Guide Cutters. We've successfully made our hole cutters, and we've made our guide cutters. Alright, so that sort of completes it. The next thing that you would want to do is, you've already blocked it out, we would want to make a connector between all of these sleeves. Alright, okay, bye. Just click Update Module if you don't have the latest scripts.